everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2025 BMW M3 in Dravit Grey Metallic with the Kyalami Orange interior. Alright, so this is the 2025 BMW M3 in Dravit Grey Metallic. I've just pressed unlock on the key there. There's a little welcome light shimmer, but the camera is not picking it up in these bright lighting conditions, but that is okay. And I'm just going to do pathway lighting. Full low beam system on. Let's do one lap all the way around the car. I've got it out in here in the sunlight so we can see that Dravit Grey Metallic paint sparkle. Oh man, Dravit Grey looks so good. So now that we've got that lap all the way around, let's go ahead and take a closer look at all the details. So this is the beautiful Dravit Grey Metallic. I just did a video on an M340i in this color, but it was inside. It wasn't that sunny that day yet. But we're outside here, so right where the sun is hitting, you can definitely see all of that amber flake in the paint. Look at that, that looks amazing. And because this is the M car, we've got the sculpted arches coming down on the hood towards the front end. We've got the rondelle up front and center, front facing camera. We've got the vertical kidney grille with the horizontal slats, chrome M3 badging on the driver's side. So that tells you right away this is manual transmission rear wheel drive. And again, I'm just going to hit unlock. So the headlights do have a little shimmer back and forth, but again, not easy to pick up on the camera in this brightness of light. And down here, some honeycomb grille and some active, some functional air ducts on each side. And we've got sensors up front. That's where the tow hook goes on the front. I don't know, I think most of you like this now. There's still a few people who are not on board with G80, G82, but I think it looks really good. So let's take a closer look at the new Shadowline snake eye style headlights. So we've got the double chevrons. Let's do some pathway lighting. So we've got the light on both sides, and we've got the little stacked LEDs there as well, and little blue accents in there. So that looks cool. I really like our headlights and taillights. I feel like there's a lot of effort that goes into the design. Now when we come over to the side here, you'll see that we have the 19-inch front and the 20-inch rear. Double spoke 825M wheel in jet black burnished. And we have the blue M compound brake back there as well. This looks really good. And I can see that we've got the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S on there, nice sticky rubber. We've got the chrome M3 badging on the fender. Again, gives away that this is manual rear wheel drive. We've got the black rocker panel down here. Black M wing mirror. Carbon fiber roof, these grooved lines. New style antenna. Let's get a little side profile look at the benchmark for high-powered sports sedan. We have the older style door handle with touch comfort access on all four door handles. We have the black spoiler on the trunk lid here. And while we're here, we have to take a look at this huge rear quarter. Really love the way that it stands out like that. And at the back, we have the L-shaped tail lights, and we've got the vertical reflectors on each side, chrome M3 badging on the passenger side, and we've got the quad exhaust tips with the diffuser down here. That looks great. There's your spot for your rear tow hook. So since we're back here, I've got the key, press and hold the tailgate button. There's also a micro switch you can press with your hand there. Down here we've got the carpeted mats, release levers on each side to fold down the seats in a 60/40 split, grocery bag hanger, front plate bracket with a little box down here. This side we've got a netted area, and inside of there we've got a wheel lock key, tow hook, tire inflator kit, tire sealant. So when we're done looking at all this good stuff back here, Up top there's a button you can press to close, another one to close and lock. So just press to close so you can get that to shut the hands-free way. On the passenger side of the vehicle, press that, it's connected to the central locking system. We're looking for 93 octane. BMW M recommends Shell V-Power. It's counterclockwise, one click. There's a little spot here to put this. And when you're done, it's just clockwise, one click. Shut the door. Pull the rear door handle, so touch comfort access on all four. So those little lines there lock the car, the inside of the door handle unlocks. So we've got the Kyalami Orange interior, we've got some stitching going across, more stitching, galvanic controls, window control, Harman Kardon sound system, door pockets. There's the Kyalami Orange interior on the rear, M tricolor seatbelts, black and orange contrast, looks cool. Center headrest can flip up or down, pass through the center, no armrest in the back of the M car. And up top we got some lights, handles, coat hangers, and of course we've got M carbon fiber buckets. So just look at this amount of carbon fiber to stare at as a rear passenger. Vents on the back of the center console, rear climate controls, 2 USB Type-C charging ports. We've got some mats down here, there's more vents under there as well. But oh my gosh, imagine sitting back here and just staring at this. It's like heaven. So let's shut the rear door and let's open up the front passenger door next. So once that opens up, you got more stitching going across. Kyalami Orange door card, unlock, lock. Got your galvanic control there, ambient light, Harman Kardon, door pocket, aluminum M3 door sill. And let's have a look at these M carbon buckets from this side. So you can remove that for space for your helmet. M3 illuminates on the headrest. We have side bolster, no lumbar, carbon fiber on the crotch, M tricolor seatbelt at the front as well, of course. And down here we've got the full merino. So down here is your glove box. All this is all wrapped in leather. Stitching kind of in the middle here as well, which looks really cool. Carbon fiber trim, more stitching on the top part of the dash. And we've got the curved display with iDrive 8.5 with the M specific layout. We have the new cascading light design here, new vent design here as well. Down here we've got some storage space, USB-A cup holders, 12-volt plug. We have your manual transmission gear selector with the M tricolor stitching on the shift boot. Red push start button, carbon fiber all over the place, iDrive controller. And if we lift this up, inside there's your wireless charger, USB Type-C. There's also a little gap coming out of here so wire can come out and not get pinched. So now that we've had a look at all this stuff on this side, let's shut this door and go to the driver's side next. All right, so if we approach from the driver door, let's open up the driver door. And again, more stitching inside of here. This door panel looks great. Unlock, lock, door handle, memory buttons, galvanic controls, side mirror controls, tailgate release. You can press that to open, pull and hold to close while the key is inside the car. Another M3 aluminum door sill. Another look at those beautiful M carbon buckets. There's some new flat bottom LCI steering wheel, M tricolor stitching, carbon fiber with these intricate little details down here. M at 6 o'clock, red marker at 12 o'clock, M1 config, M2 config buttons. Head-up display here, nice stitching going across there as well. And over here, you've got your exterior lighting controls. There's the 3-pedal system, little storage compartment down here. And you know what, before we get under the hood, I just want to grab a seat in here. So a lot of times people will say that these carbon bucket seats are uncomfortable or they're very tight. I find them to be very comfortable, especially if you compare them to an actual bucket seat found in a race car. And just wanted to also point out the nice shifter action. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and all the way to the left, lock out for reverse. Love that feeling. And love the feeling of pressing down a clutch. So now that we've been in here for a minute, let's get back out. And down here is 2 pulls, 1, 2. So let's have a look under there. So you won't have to find anything here because you've already popped the hood and unlatched the hood, and there it is. The beautiful S58 3-liter inline 6 twin turbo. And in this one there's 473 horsepower, 406 foot-pounds of torque. We've got that nice triangular strut brace, positive battery terminals here, negative battery terminals here. Washer fluid is over there. What an absolute beast. I love how this looks. I love the engine bay. So now that we're done with this, BMWs have 2 latches under the hood. We just have to make sure they both close at the same time. So from about halfway, literally just send her down. Beauty. Now I'm gonna actually do a cold start with Sport Plus just so you can hear it. I'm not gonna do any revs or anything. So let's have a listen. Alright, so that was the cold start sound starting up in Sport Plus. What did you think? Let me know. Alright, so before we conclude the video, I just wanted to do one more lap all the way around the car. And I've just let it run simply because I find that by actually having the ignition on, the camera does pick up the lights properly. It's only when they're just turned on without the ignition on that, for whatever reason, camera doesn't quite pick it up. Also just wanted to find out, for all of you who have a modern BMW with a manual transmission, such as a G87, G29 Z4 M40 in manual, or a G80 or G82, what do you guys think of the automatic rev match? Do you still heel toe, or if you're just cruising along, will you let it rev match for you on the downshifts? I don't know what I think about that personally, but it's cool. And see, with the ignition on, the lights are actually showing up properly, so that's cool. So how do you like this spec? Manual transmission, rear-wheel drive, and what do you think of this color combination? Let me know in the comments below. Alright everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2025 BMW M3 in Dravit Grey Metallic with the Kyalami Orange interior. 6-speed manual transmission, M carbon buckets, carbon fiber roof. How do you guys like the spec? If you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMWDurham. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.